Time to get rid of it all before I change my mind. Happy good morning, and welcome to the episode of HopeScope where I get rid of all my leggings. It's time we have a chat. A little life update. We need to discuss why there hasn't been as many legging videos as there used to be on this channel. We're gonna start, oh gosh, right up at the top. This is my least favorite color ever. It always has been. Not pink, but like this particular mauve pink. Some of you that are newer here might not know that was how my channel started, and that is all my videos used to be every single week. So while we chat about that, I'm gonna go through all of these. I'm gonna figure out what I wanna donate, what I wanna Poshmark. I'll tell you how you can get in on all that later. I'm about to show you something that I've never really shown. You've seen me film stuff in this room and this room, but they're just right next to each other actually. And it is absolute chaos in here. I'm gonna show you the angle from outside. There it is. Racks and racks of clothes, random boxes. This is after I've already cleaned out and organized a lot of it, and I'm just overflowing with stuff at this point. I already have 2 giant boxes ready to sell. A giveaway box, and I already donated / gave away a box to some family. And listen, this is a nice apartment, a great apartment even. Like, look at this view, happy good morning. But I have literally zero life-work separation, other than these little curtains that separate my YouTube space from my bedroom, so I can close them to have like a little bit of privacy and sanity at night. I outgrew this space long ago. Like the last place that I was living, I had a whole entire basement to spread out all over. Not anymore. So that bedroom's upstairs, and then tucked down in the back here we have the guest room, which we're currently converting into an office. Oh, and this is also Leo's room. There's the remnants of the guest room. But in the over a year and a half that we've lived at this place, we've had guests 2 times. A single night stay for each of them, and they never came back afterwards. So I think they hated it, which is really sad actually, because I love guests. So when I do get a new house, you're all invited.
I have had many a near meltdowns on this topic, but we'll save that for a future video.
I have these little bins in front of me. Donate, sell, keep. Here we go. This is gonna be harder than I thought. So why the lack of activewear reviews? In the time that I was doing activewear reviews, I could probably count on one hand the amount of times that I missed a week. I got creative over the years with activewear reviews, but I was finally hitting a wall. You guys were getting burnt out as well. And my comment sections and my DMs used to be flooded with activewear review requests, and now they just kind of like trickle in. I feel like the same thing that happened with the makeup community kind of started happening with activewear. I don't know about you, but like 4 or 5 years ago, I was so into the makeup community. I followed everybody. I watched every single review of every collection from every brand that they put out. It just got to be too much. There were launches like every month. There were new brands coming out of nowhere, and I just couldn't keep up with it anymore, and I just stopped watching them all. And I'm definitely starting to feel that way about activewear. It became impossible to keep up. YouTube was all I wanted to do, so for me to come to the realization that things weren't going very well put me in a really bad place. So about 8-9 months ago, I decided to step out of my little activewear box and do some other clothing haul type videos, and I have been having so much fun again. I feel like that passion came back, that creativity that I had been missing. So activewear is now gonna be more like a series on my channel rather than the entire theme of the channel itself. Hi, it's me editing, and I realized that I have more to say. Since mixing up my content, I feel like I'm finally back in a place where I genuinely get really excited to do activewear videos again, now that it's not like all I do, you know? So if there are specific ones that you want to see, please leave a comment, like a comment on a topic that you also like, or send me a DM, because that's still how I pick the videos that I do, based on popular demand. Oh shoot. They're gonna be the ones that are hard to get rid of because they're limited edition. They're the Gymshark Whitney ones. I'm pretty sure these are the ones that I paid like $200 for on Poshmark. I have to do it though. There's another big piece to this I'm gonna explain in a second why I'm getting rid of all these leggings. Wow, we've only done one color, and the get rid of bin is already halfway full. Oh no. Oh, I'm sad about these. Surprise, there's a whole other pile hiding back there. I talk about Poshmark all the time, but if you don't know, it is a sustainable, super easy way to buy and sell used clothes. It is my platform of choice whenever I do I've actually never done something like this. This is a little extreme, but
Poshmark's where I post everything from mystery boxes to some of my old designer things, and of course a ton of my activewear.
My profile on there is HopeScope. I have a few items on there right now, but I will be adding all of this in the next couple days after I sort it all out. So if you want to be first to know when all of the stuff is live on Poshmark, text Poshmark to my number here on the screen. I'll have it down in the description as well, so that you can be the first to get notified. In the meantime, make sure that your account is all set up and ready to go. It's totally free. The link is down below at the top of my description box. It is available for US, Canada, and now Australia. It's super easy to get started on your closet. All you have to do is take a quick picture of the item that you're selling, write out a little description, and then let the offers come in. I'm telling you, if you have any used activewear, it's a hot commodity on Poshmark. Thanks Poshmark for sponsoring today's video. Back to my blue leggings. I've been looking everywhere for these. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I thought they were gone forever. Blue done. One whole shelf down, bunch more to go. This is gonna be so crazy though. I'm gonna miss you. Hi, welcome to day 2. I really thought I could just knock this out in one day, but I was very, very wrong. So it's no secret that I've gained weight. I've talked about it in several videos recently. I have finally gotten to a place over the last couple of years where I figured out how to stop placing my self-worth on how I look. And I wouldn't call it body positivity, it's like self-positivity. Because the truth is, oh no, not more Whitney leggings. Shoot. When I look in the mirror at myself these days, it's the craziest feeling because I feel nothing. And coming from someone who since like age 10 would look in the mirror and pick apart every little thing about myself to just feel nothing is very interesting. So for that reason, we're gonna call it body neutrality. The one time that I do slip into feeling bad about myself is when I put on clothes that used to fit and now I just feel terrible in them. So I feel bad getting rid of some of this stuff that I've spent thousands of dollars on, or it was gifted to me by somebody. But at this point, it is so unhealthy for me to hold on to it. I think some of you know what I mean. When you're like getting ready in the morning and you grab something to wear and that doesn't fit, you grab another thing and it doesn't fit, and it just sends you into this like negative spiral. So to avoid that, I just want a wardrobe that's full of stuff that I feel good in right now. So that's why this is happening.
Hi, it's me again with another comment about the activewear videos. I hadn't been going to the gym like at all this year, so I felt really weird doing activewear videos and being like, this is a great set to work out in, when the truth is, I probably never actually left the couch in that outfit.
I will admit this is the unhealthiest I've ever been, so I'm also not like promoting this type of weight gain. So for that reason, I have actually really stepped it up the last couple weeks. If you want to join me, feel free. My whole plan is to be able to like go into the holidays and into New Year's already in shape, already with some really good habits in place. Dang it. Literally, these are some of my favorite leggings ever, and I don't think they exist anywhere anymore. Forget everything I just said because I'm keeping those. The visual validation looking in the mirror doesn't come from being a certain size or a certain weight or even looking a certain way. But for me, it's being able to look in the mirror and feel like, wow, I did that. She worked hard. And seeing that hard work reflected back, that's what I like. So if you're gonna take away one thing from this little chat that we've just had, it's just that I want you to remember we are not meant to fit into clothes. Clothes are meant to fit us.
And that you are already goals. Okay, back to the closet, clean out.
Also, I'm getting rid of everything with the front seam. Do not need that kind of negativity in my life anymore. My amplifiers have my whole heart. They're not going anywhere. All right, got these shelves done. I'll deal with you later. Now we just have the neutrals. It's like actually unreal what a black legging hoarder I am. Like any other color of leggings, I'll get some new ones and I'll be like, oh, better get rid of some of these so I don't have too many teal blues. Black though, can never have enough. Yeah, this is one that just doesn't fit and I'm really sad about it. I don't think I ever got around to doing a video on it either. Gosh, there are some like this that are just like literal works of art that I can't bring myself to get rid of. These, they're the brand Baseline, and they, out of like 600 pairs of leggings that I've tested, there were only 5 that got a 100% squat proof score. These are one of them. Oh, and then these were some of the other ones. Better Bodies, 100%. I don't even remember buying these. These are like $300 leggings. White leggings. Ask me when the last time that I wore any of these was. Probably when I did my white leggings YouTube video. So there's no reason to hold on to all of them. Oh, these. Lowest scoring on the squat test legging. They're the Bow and T white seamless. Okay, browns. And animal prints. Okay, the leggings are all done. Next, we need to tackle this stuff. I actually sorted through all of this stuff recently, but it doesn't hurt to give it one more go through. Sports bras. It has been a while since I've cleaned these out. I've got this whole thing full and all these drawers. So sometimes I get asked where my shelves are from. The regular shelves and this little guy that you can hang stuff on is great, but these drawers started falling apart like the week that I bought this thing, and it wasn't cheap. I got it from RC Willey. I don't even think they sell it anymore. They probably got too many complaints. Honestly, the ones that I had before that I just got from Lowe's were a lot cheaper, and they're just simple, you know? If you're looking for something to fold up your leggings and stack them on. I literally have like 200 sports bras. And I swear I rotate between like 10 of them anyway. So this will be good. Oh my gosh. That one's a throwback. Dang. Can't believe I still have that. I have all of these shorts that I still need to sort through. I'm so picky about the shorts that I actually wear, so there's zero reason for me to have this many. I wonder if I could condense them into one basket. Wait, do you think I can do it? Well, here it all is. Everything that's gotta go. This is crazy. And since you stuck around this long, you get the secret information about how to get some of this stuff for free. Because I'm just giving away like half of it, probably more than half. And to do that, all you have to do is go follow my secret Instagram account. This is the first time I've ever like formally shouted it out. It's actually my old Instagram handle, HopeScope Official. That has now become my giveaway account. So make sure to follow that account and my main one. And I'll be posting a bunch of stuff over the next week. Probably longer. This is gonna take forever to get rid of. I did keep a little bit for myself, of course, because activewear reviews aren't going anywhere. In fact, I have a very secret big project involving activewear that I get to share with you soon, but this was much needed. Picked out this video for you to watch next, and if you've already seen that one, then YouTube thinks you would like to watch this one next. Leo and I have a lot of work to do. But we will see you guys over in the next video. Say bye, YouTube.